Cracked heels are one of those things that seem like they should be simple to fix, but they're just so stubborn. So today, we're going to do a deep dive into a product called Pheet and see what they say their secret is. We're going to use their own material to break down the science behind their formula.
So if you've ever found yourself looking down at your feet thinking, what actually works for this, you are definitely not alone. According to Pheet's own info, the secret isn't some brand new miracle chemical, but it's all about a powerful combination of two pretty familiar ingredients.
Okay, so Pheet's whole approach is about mixing what our skin naturally needs with something nature can provide. Their entire formula is basically built around these two hero ingredients that they claim are the key to everything.
First up is something called urea, and what's really interesting here is that they describe it as the skin's natural moisturizer. It's actually a substance our own bodies produce to stay hydrated. The source material points out that the pros, we're talking podiatrists and dermatologists, see it as an essential for any good foot cream, all because it has this incredible ability to soften up that tough, dry skin.
And the second hero ingredient, Manuka honey. Now this isn't just for your morning tea. The brand really leans into its famous antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. For cracked heels, that's a huge deal. It means it doesn't just moisturize, but it can also help protect those painful cracks from getting infected while it calms the skin down.
So you've got one ingredient our bodies actually make and another one straight from nature. The next big question is, how does Pheet bring them together? Let's take a look inside their formula.
And right here, you can see their core idea in action. It's a super direct combination. The formula is designed to use the healing antibacterial stuff from the Manuka honey, while at the very same time using the power of urea to soften and moisturize. It's like a two-pronged attack, heal and soften.
Now, the source material calls out a very specific number, 25%. And this isn't just random. It's the exact concentration of one of those key ingredients. So, which one is it, and why does this number matter so much?
And here is the context for that. The 25% refers to the amount of urea in their diabetes-safe formula. See, for anyone with diabetes, foot care is incredibly serious. Dry, cracked skin can lead to some really dangerous infections. So this higher concentration is specifically there to soften the skin and help bring that risk way down.
So beyond those two main ingredients, the formula is also made to solve a few other common complaints. They claim it absorbs fast, so you're not left with that greasy, slippery feeling. It's also non-staining, which is great for your socks and bed sheets. And, like we just saw, it's formulated to be safe for diabetics.
But let's be honest, all the ingredients and features are great, but what we all really want to know is, how fast does it work? And that brings us to the product's biggest, and I mean boldest claim. And there it is, the big promise, clinically proven to show visible results in one day. Wow. I mean, in the skincare world, that is an incredibly bold statement. They're not talking about slow, gradual improvement over weeks. They're promising you'll see a noticeable difference almost immediately. So, when you boil it all down, all the science, the natural ingredients, the special formulas, it's all pushing towards one simple goal, making your feet feel soft and healed. The promise isn't just about looking better, it's about delivering that feeling of relief and doing it fast.
And that kind of leaves us with a final thought here. The whole premise from the Pheet brand, based on their own info, is that by combining two powerful, well-understood ingredients, one from nature and one from our own biology, they can offer a really rapid solution. It makes you wonder, could the answer to something as persistent as cracked heels really be that straightforward?